Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to use filter and sort on the data table. The find method performs search based on key column to get single result. We already saw that, right? So we used the find method with single as well as compound primary keys, and we saw that in last two videos. So we can also use select method to filter the records. Here, if you look at the select method, it takes filter expression, sort expression, and row status. In this video, we will explore filter as well as sort expression. Row status we will explore in the next coming video. We can use select method to filter records based on filter expression. We will also learn about filter expression in this video. So filter expression, which is almost equivalent to how we write the where condition, right? In where condition, we will specify the column name equal to value. Then we will mix the Boolean operation and or, right? And we will mix the conditional expressions using the Boolean and as well as Boolean or as well as not, right? So the same way you can form the filter expression here for the select method. Some examples filter expressions. Some examples for filter expressions are shown below. Say for example, country equal to UK. So that's how we can specify the filter expression. So the select method will perform filter based on this filter expression. It will filter only the rows that contains country as UK. So the other example is country equal to UK and city equal to Covas, right? So here if you see, we have two expression which is mixed with the and. City like B percentage. So filter all the record with the city that starts with B. So likewise you can form the filter expression. Since the select is not based on the primary key column, it will return array of data row objects, right? Say for example, if we say country equal to UK, there may be one record, zero record, or more than one record. So that's why the select method will return array of data rows. Unlike find method, this will return multiple data rows. The select method also provides the ability to sort the record. So sort expression, you can simply state sort colon city or sort colon city descending. So you can specify this way for ascending order, or for descending order you can specify the sort column name, then DESC. DESC is for descending and AESC is default, that is for ascending. We will look at the row status later. For now, let's dig into filter as well as sort expressions. So here we just commented some of the examples. We will try these when we go to the code. First, we declare the data row array because select method is going to return array, right? So that's why we declared it here. Then we are checking txt sort.text equal to null. So if user doesn't provide any sort text, then we are making call to the select method of the table, data table, and we just give the search expression here. Search expression, you have to type it in the relevant text box, right? That we are giving it to the select method. So this is returning the data row collection, and we collected that in the rows variable. else we have both sort as well as search expressions. So if you see, first we are passing the search text, next we pass the sort, and you can see the overload here. This is select method and this is select method overload. Here it is taking only the search text, and here it is taking search text as well as sort text. So we already saw example for sort text, right, that we can feed in here in this relevant text box. Alright, so here we retrieved the rows, right? Here we just made call to the select method based on the user's provided input. Then here we are checking if row equal to null. So when the select expression doesn't, the select method doesn't return any row, we are checking that and returning it. So if row is null, we are simply returning. Otherwise, this time we are calling display rows, right? The plural form of it, right? We know that the display rows will iterate through each row, and it will in turn make call to display row method, right? This is rows, and it will call display row to display the single row. Alright, now let's go to the demo and see how this is working. Now we will implement this find and sort. Since we already explained the code, we just pasted that here, right? Display rows, if you see, we are passing the collection, right? Rows collection, and in the display rows we iterate through the rows collection, right, for each rows in one row, and that one row we are passing it to our display row, right? In display row we will land up into the if portion and display the content of the record. We will rebuild this solution. Rebuild all is succeeded, and first we will use the select part of it. So here we are giving search text as country equal to UK. So let's click on find and sort, and if you see, there are 5 records in this data table that ends with country UK. You can see that here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all those 5 records are filtered and shown here, right? Okay, not 5, more than 5. There are 7 records, and all those 7 records are displayed here. We should have appended the serial number here. That will be more useful. Anyhow, we can count manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now let's go ahead with the second example. Country equal to UK, and here we are using the AND condition. And city equal to Covas. There is only one here. Alright, now we will use this condition, country equal to UK and city equal to Covas, and when we filter, you can see that specific record. Here we are not hitting the database. Instead, we are picking or filtering the data from our data table itself. Now let's explore our third search text, city like B%. That means the city starts with B. And if you see, there are multiple records that starts with B. Let's go ahead with BE. And if you see, there are 3 cities that is starting with B: Berlin from Germany, Bern from Switzerland, and Bergamo from Italy. Right. So we just used the search text. Now we will go ahead with sort. So here we are using this expression this time. Country equal to for France and sort by city. So here we are using country equal to France and sort expression is sort colon city. That means filter all the France and sort by city. Okay, we have to give just the column name for the sort. So search text is country equal to France and sort is sort by city. And since we doesn't specify the DESC keyword, the result will be sorted in ascending order of city. Let's give the find sort a try. And if you see, now you can see the city is sorted in ascending order, right? L, M, N, P, S. That's how it is going, right? Now we will append the keyword DESC. The same result will be sorted in reverse now. If you see, this time it is sorted by city in descending order, and the country, if you see, all France is displayed, right? So that's all. So now you saw how to use the search text as well as sort expression in the select method of the data table. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.